So I believe na panood nyo na ang global launching ng Redmi Pad. And itong unit na ito just arrived hours before matapos ang launching. So right now, I'll be unboxing this right here in front of you. Papakita ko sa inyo ang aking unboxing and first impression nitong bagong Redmi Pad. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Hi guys, ako pala si Richard ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. And this is the first ever Redmi Pad ni Xiaomi. So this unit is pretty much sealed. So gusto natin unbox right now. So kita natin Xiaomi logo and the Redmi Pad na word dito sa gilid. So how about let's just simply open it up. So hawak natin right now is a cutter na nabili natin from Xiaomi Yopin ecosystem. And it's called the Freeze Cutter. Sobrang talas niya and it's color gold. Kaya naaliw ako and napabili tayo sa China. So cutting it off. Takpan muna natin para walang masugatan. So, opening the Redmi Pad. So, this is how it looks like, the Redmi Pad. So, let me give you a better view. So, this is the Redmi Pad. Kita natin ito mga naka-print dito. Actually, it's more of a, let's just say, recyclable na cloth na pwede natin ipasok ulit should we not use this one. So, hindi siya the usual plastic, though. So, more of, I believe, mas eco-friendly to. So let's start off with the 90 Hz of screen refresh rate with a 10.61 na display. It has a high performance na MediaTek Helio G99. It has 8,000 mAh of battery and of course, flagship level unibody design. Sleek and sexy. Tanggalin muna natin. Let's see what's other things muna. Standard charging cable. 22.5 na fast charger. SIM ejector tool. User guide and warranty card. So, yun lang naman ang laman. So, buksan muna natin. Tingnan natin, no? Kung ano itsura nga ba ni Redmi Pad in actual. Kasi nakita natin just, of course, yung launching. I would believe na medyo ibang experience when you have hold the actual unit. So, kita natin, the camera module is almost the same sa nakita natin, no? Sa Xiaomi 12T Pro, except na walang camera module dito sa baba. Only the main camera sensor, which is a 8MP na main camera module. And it's a unibody design. I have here is the graphite gray na color, which I believe meron pang tatlong color, no? May mint green and of course may moonlight silver. But this one is the most conventional color probably na makukuha natin. And the unit natin is a 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. So quick tour lang tayo. Meron siyang dalawang speaker sa baba and of course Type-C charging port. SIM tray and of course mga microphones at the side and of course ang kanyang volume rocker. Sundutin muna natin. Yan natin. So, this is a micro SD expansion port. Sa ibabaw ang kanyang power button, dalawang speaker, and of course, ang print dito na powered by the Dolby Atmos. Pretty much clean on the other side. Boot up natin. So, Xiaomi logo, nakita natin. Not the Redmi logo. So, kita natin, it's powered by the MIUI 13 ni Xiaomi. So, setup lang natin. English. So, region is of course, Philippines. Let's just use Gboard. Accept lang natin to. Connect lang tayo sa Wi-Fi natin. Next. So, sign in lang natin sa ating Google account. So, depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo gamitin ang screen lock or face unlock. Ako, I'll set it up a little bit later. Kita natin out of the box, it has 73% na factory charge. So, ito ang pinaka-base na itsura ng home screen ni Redmi Pad upon booting up. So, kita natin, there's the camera na shortcuts, Google Chrome, video, File Explorer, and of course, Notepad. So, basically, this is the very, very basic version ng tablet na meron ni Redmi. So, probably maybe in the near future, magkakaroon ng Redmi Pad Pro and the other, or probably even Ultimate, di natin alam. So, check lang natin quickly ang settings ng kanyang mga display. So, we can turn it to dark mode like what we always do here sa ating channel. So, we can check the refresh rate here. So, we can either set it to custom para mapili natin refresh rate to 90 Hz or we can always put it to default para sarili siya magbalanse. So, kung medyo nabibiting kayo sa text size nito, we can turn it a little bit larger para mas mabilis natin makita. So, I'll put it to large para medyo mas kita natin ang mga nakasulat dito, no? So, para hindi tayo medyo mahirapan. So, yan. Nag-zoom in kunti ang mga words. So, it looks a little bit better for right now. So, pwede natin set up mga Mi account natin a little bit later during our full review. Na itong tablet ito being powered by the MediaTek Helio G99, I believe it should be smooth. Wala akong naging problema swiping left and right. Smooth naman ang reaction niya sa akin. No? So, dahil nakaset naman tayo sa 90 Hz of screen refresh rate. So, my first impression dito sa unit na ito, okay naman siya. Hindi siya mabigat. And what I like about this one is symmetrical ang kanyang mga bezel dito. Probably, I'm not quite sure. Maybe we'll be doing a quick comparison with this one as opposed to the Xiaomi Mi Pad 5. But of course, that one is a little bit more premium. This one is more of the basic ang nakukuha natin dito. No? But of course, it packs in a lot of things inside this one na malalaman natin during our full review. But as of now, it's my first impression and quick na comment dito sa tablet na ito. And I can say na ang ganda ng gawa na sa likod. Yung kanyang matte finish dito sa likod is pretty nice. And as of now, I can say na very smooth ang usage natin dito upon opening the box. Pretty much impressed naman dito sa tablet na ito. So just quickly go through the browser. Tingnan natin. No? This is open a quick video on YouTube. So, bakit nga ba tayo nagbubukas sa browser ng YouTube when we have this one? Sabi nga ni Redmi, with easy access to the Google apps you use the most. Sabi niya. So, panoorin lang natin quickly ang ating first impression nitong Xiaomi 12T Pro na sabay nilabas together with this one, si Redmi Pad. Further inside the box, Type A to Type C na charging cable and a 120 watts na fast charging brick. First time, no, nakita tayo ng very bold print na 120 watts. So I can say, watching video dito, on my first impression, it's pretty good. Pretty big ang kanya display. Okay siya, maganda naman display. And probably I'll be doing a little bit more test during our full review of this tablet, si Redmi Pad. And probably soon, it will be launching here in the Philippines. Just stay tuned. And wala pa naman tayo idea kung magkano magiging presyo nito sa Philippines. But my estimate is around maybe 12 to 13,000-ish na ang kanyang presyo. Just my estimate. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin bell icon para di miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watch out!